So I come from like a very traditional aspect of photography, especially within regards to journalism. You don't set anything up. You don't ask people to do things. You don't ask things to be repeated. You photograph what you see. You try to represent the situation as fairly as possible, understanding that there is no objectivity in photography. It's all subjective, but you want to fairly represent situations. And that's kind of like the base of where I think my work is and where other people's work should be when they're presented in the realm of photojournalism.
What I'm saying is that you have to pull back at a certain point. I have a great example for this one. We were doing a story about a man who lost his son in a mining accident. So, what I wanted to do was spend time with him because that's where the magical pictures come from, is once you are able to pull back and disappear a little bit, then the magical pictures happen. They don't just happen in 5 minutes. It takes days to hang out with somebody and before they're so sick of you that they finally stop behaving not the way they normally behave. They behave normally. And then the magical pictures happen. The last day of the shoot is always the best day because that's the day where they were sick of you and ready for you to leave. And so the last day, the best pictures come on that day because they're not paying attention. And then it becomes real. And I said, and sit down with them at the end of the day, like let them take you around all one day. Us losing one day on this is not a big deal. It's a way for you to bond with the man who's lost his son. And you should have a conversation with him at the end of the day and say, look, the way I work is that, I want you to be as you would normally be.